Okay, so as you saw this morning, we made some gingerbread Play-Doh. It smells so good. So good. Very, very good mood this morning. We don't always have such happy mornings, but it's just very, very pleasant to say the least this morning. We did a lot. Living room, yes, and then the playroom over here, yes. I will say that the Eagles are playing this afternoon and Scott wanted wings, so we got some of the frozen TGI Friday wings we're gonna make. He just went out and ran some errands while she's napping. I honestly might clean a little bit up because it'll be less work for me tonight, or I'm gonna edit. We'll see what happens.
We have the Eagles game coming on, and I have a wing clause that I need to eat wings for every game this season. Finally found curly fries. Was there something else? Oh my god, wait, there is ice cream in back here? I could have sworn I finished this. I could have ate last night. Ah, I have apple dumplings that I went out special to buy.
I asked if you ate it all.
I thought I finished it one day. I'm gonna get this in there, and I can show you the final result if you really want to. Okay, final. Well, we already took a bunch because, you know, they were that good, but I just put them in bowls and mix them out. And I have it on my bowl, my plate here. And then Phoebe over here has some, you want to hold the camera? Hi! So, what do you have? You have fries, and the Burke has some, and then there's more fries over here. Yum! We are watching the Eagles game, and Phoebe has partaken in eating a candy cane. Are you giving the fans a piece?
We have not been doing a very good job vlogging today. She's back with her gingerbread Play-Doh, but we've both been extra tired. Scott watched the football game. We just watched Utopia. And Scott will be participating in his apple dumpling, I guess, after she goes to sleep. Well, we gotta get some footage of it before you devour it, at least.
Okay. This is the famous apple dumpling. It's in there somewhere. I'm going to heat it up. Okay, I did 30 seconds. It's pretty hot to the touch. I want it to kind of burn me, so I'm gonna, put it in a little longer. Turns out I have this leftover vanilla ice cream. I went out and Rachel noted that I went out today special to buy ice cream for it. I got chocolate, vanilla, and I realized that we had this leftover one, and there's like a decent amount left in there. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in, put the ice cream on, I'll show you. Okay, slight issue. It's pretty like soggy now, but hopefully it'll still be good. I'm gonna put the ice cream in now. I don't know how much to put in. I'm just gonna do like half of this. Yeah, that works. Just give a little scoop there. Need more, you can always add more. Alright, watch me take the first bite. Let's see how it is. I'm honestly gonna say that it's still not hot enough. So I'm gonna take the ice cream out. I'm gonna put it back in for a little longer because it's definitely not hot enough. Okay, I put it in for another minute, and now it's like obviously stupid hot. So, and the shell is very soggy. So, I mean, was this a fail? I don't know. It's probably still gonna taste good. I'm gonna put him back in my yucky pre-scooped out ice cream scoop. That's gonna melt super fast. I'm just gonna put the rest in just because we'll see how much I eat. But go big or go home. Oh wait, I'm already home. Alright. I forgot that I did promise that I would give you the first bite on camera here. I turned my back to get some Lactaid, and Mario definitely took a lick. So I'm eating. There's also a little bit of cat. What are you doing? Get out of here. Also a little bit of cat in here too. But as promised, here's the first bite on camera. The hot and the cold That's great. That's just great. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Here, I'm giving you this is a bonus. Even more, like this mukbang. Oh, I don't even think, did you see me actually eat it? Here. You can see me eat it. Pretend like this is the first bite. Yeah, they're hot. I can close it down. Thanks for joining in today. Hope you...
I just was the first one up in the house for what feels like forever. Phoebe's going to my parents' house, so I have like a heavy load of things I need to get done today. I am going food shopping. I have a lot of editing to do, a lot of filming to do, but I also I'm going to start making cookies today. I'm going to make at least one batch. Right now, my coffee's brewing, and I need to make a food shopping list because I forgot to do that. Going to attempt to get my first sip in before I go upstairs. If Luigi doesn't kill me before then. Very hot still. So, right now I'm doing one of my least favorite things, cleaning the kitchen. Typically, when I'm making Christmas cookies, I like to keep out my ingredients from when I start to when I'm finished making cookies, because it usually takes me a little over a week to make all the cookies, and having to not take them away and put them out and bring them back and forth a million times helps me with my flow. So I'm actually gonna try to clear off as much as this side of the counter and kind of relocate certain things over here. It's possible, it's not gonna be fun. Especially because now, like, my kitchen has become Phoebe's art studio. So that's an added twist this year that I have to work with. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little bit mentally exhausted, and it has nothing to do with Vlogmas or cookies or anything. I'm just exhausted. First batch will be Blizzard cookies. Recipe link down below. So those chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes and then I bake them. It's a pretty large batch, so it's a bunch of rounds of baking in the oven. So right now I'm gonna kind of clean up the mess I made because there's a mess, and probably by the time I'm done cleaning, it'll be ready to start rolling them into balls. I'm pretty excited this year because we have silicone mats for our baking sheets, and we've never had those in years past. So I think that'll be very helpful and beneficial for the holiday season baking. Also, someone hinted that there better be some cookie dough for him when he gets home. So we're gonna take a scoop because he is nasty and he likes scoops. We're gonna put it in this little bowl and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for him because he's nasty. And just like that, the Blizzard cookies are done.
Hi, I just got back home. We're just running around a lot because the bird created some crazy game where like you had the popper and you chase after Phoebe. It was crazy. And I had to hold her and shake her and all this. I was saved some raw cookie dough that I was told in order to eat I have to vlog it. So this is raw cookie dough. I could die. Anyone like eat raw cookie dough? I blame my sisters. Growing up, they were obsessed with cookie dough and like pancake batter. It's people like us that made.
It's salmonella.
No, that's why there is.
No. I like cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
I don't want to eat
like ice cream and stuff.
I want to take a taste, and that's more than enough.
And like all this cookie dough, like edible cookie dough and all that, because of people like us. Did you watch the footage from me eating the?
No, I'm very behind on Vlogmas.
The apple dumpling? No, not yet.
I'm very behind.
It was intense. I had to put the ice cream back because it wasn't hot enough. I need to look up a different way to heat up the dumpling. I'll figure that out. You want to see Phoebe real quick?
You want to say hi to the camera?
You say hi. You say hi.
I'm watching Olaf, right?
He's watching Olaf. Again. That's what she says like next episode. Again.